Mahabharat, Sri Mahabharat, Adi Parva. This is the first Parva of Mahabharat, the first chapter. In this series, we're going to deal with the entire Mahabharat, consisting of over 100,000 verses. Before we recite Puranic literature or Mahabharat, this is a verse which is always recited, that is Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Cheva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. This is the verse. So here is the setting of Mahabharat, how it begins. In a holy place called Naimisharanya, there is an assembly of sages under the leadership of Sonaka Rishi. Now, in that assembly, a sage by the name Ugrashravaji, see, he arrives and all the sages, they surround him and ask him that you go around many places, so tell us what's happening, what's the news. So that was the news. He said, everybody is very eager to hear the latest, the breaking news. So he gave the breaking news that he is coming from the Sarpayaja, or the great serpent sacrifice of King Janmejaya, who is the son of Maharaj Parikshit. To take revenge, he organized a great serpent snake sacrifice. So I am, the sage says, Ugrashravaji, he is also known as Soti. He says, I am coming from that sacrifice and I heard Mahabharata from the sage Vaishampayan. So, Satir Uvacha, you can see here the sage Sauti, that is Ugrashravaji, is telling, well, Vichitrartha, Mahabharat, that these pastimes, these narrations are wondrous, Vichitra, full of wonderful pastimes. And then he is using an adjective here. Okay, okay. Punya Katha Dharmartha Samshritaha. Marvelous, mind-blowing history of Greater India and amazing narrations, astonishing Vedic chronicles. And it's a pious katha, pious narration, and the victory of adharma, victory of dharma over adharma. That is how he generally describes, a brief description of what he has heard. And now comes the sages, Rishya Uchuhu. The sages then, they are saying here, we'll just read a few verses today in the first part today. Just very briefly, Dvepayanena yat proktam puranam paramarshina surer brahmarshibhischeva shrutva yad abhipujitam tasya akhyana varishthasya vichitrapad parvanah sukshmartha nyaya yuktasya vedarthe bhushitasya cha bharatasya itihasasya punyam granthartha samyutam संस्करोपगताम ब्राह्मी नाना शस्त्रोप ब्रह्मिताम जन्मेजस्य याम राज्ञो वैशंपयन उक्तवान यथावत्स ऋषिस्तुष्ट्या सत्रे द्वेपानाज्ञया. Okay, the last verse I'll just recite, then we'll very briefly explain this. Okay, yeah. So, here it is. Vedes chaturvi samyukta vyasasya adbhuta karmana samhitam srotum ikshamah punya papa bhayapaham. That's all. We'll just quickly. So what are these 5 verses? The sages have expressed their eagerness to hear, and they are describing what they are telling. This pious narration of victory of dharma over adharma, the religion over irreligion, and this historical account Puranam Paramarshi, Puranam is worshipped by all the Brahmarshis and the demigods, Surer Brahmarshi Bhischeva. Every verse and every word of it is imbued with the subtle and wondrous purports of the Vedas. You can see here, Sukshmartha Nyaya Yuktesya Vedartha Bhushitasya Cha. This was recited to King Janmejaya by the sage Vaishampayan in the great Sarpayagya, the snake sacrifice. Janmejaya se yam ragya Vaisham uktavan. And then finally, this Samhita, the text, destroys sinful reactions and the fear of this material existence. Samhitam srotum ichhamaha punyam papa bhayapaham. So, in our life, if we are seeking victory, success, and getting rid of the fear, then we should take shelter of this great narration called Mahabharata.